How do you communicate with doctors who know nothing about MCAS?
Don't bother. Okay, ask me again. I've yet to see anybody in the Canadian healthcare system who's fully embraced mast cell activation syndrome, to the extent that I've had the privilege of being exposed to through being a co-author of a paper with Dr. Larry Afrin and a whole bunch of other doctors, where we've developed a new methodology of looking at mast cell activation, which is called Consensus 2. Consensus 1 is the original papers that were published, which showed that you have to have this increase in tryptase level over a certain parameter in order to make the diagnosis. We've thrown that out as a criteria. We use symptom charts and we use response to treatment. And if we can get 2 lab tests, we use those criteria, which is called Consensus 2 criteria, to establish the diagnosis of mast cell. And I found that to work impeccably. However, no doctors in Canada have embraced the Consensus 2 criteria. They all revert to the Consensus 1, or they revert to understanding of another condition called systemic mastocytosis, where mast cells are increased in number, but mast cell activation syndrome is not increase in number of mast cells, it's increase in activity of mast cells. It's a very different beast.